Hello my friends, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 365th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today's recipe I'm going to share with all of you a magnificent French toast casserole. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, rich, decadent, simple and easy to make. And we're gonna put a pecan praline topping on it. And if you're hosting a Mother's Day brunch, this would be perfect. And this would be your go-to dish for any brunch party. Everybody's gonna fall in love with this casserole. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my breakfast and brunch recipes playlist and my previous video, oatmeal raisin cookies. I'll post links to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your bread, your milk, and your pecan sugar, because we're about to bake some French toast casserole magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, over here I have a 9x13-inch long baking dish that I grease with butter. And over here I have my bread. I'm using sourdough that I cut it into slices, or you can use challah or French bread. And we're just going to lay them right into the pan. Alright my friends, I got all my bread slices in, and make sure that you dry the bread so that way when we pour the filling and it bakes, it'll hold its shape. Otherwise, if you use fresh bread, it'll just be soggy. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the luscious custard. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 8 large eggs at room temperature. And now it's time to add in our milks. I'm using 1 cup of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream. And 2 cups of, y'all know I can't live without this, evaporated milk. Oh yes, baby. Next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of white sugar, a dash of salt, and this is my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a half a teaspoon of pure maple extract. And give all this a quick whisk until everything is well incorporated. Smells good. Alright my friends, now we're ready to pour the custard right on top of the bread. Like so. Make sure you pour in between the layers. Alright, so now we're going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator. We're going to let it chill overnight. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Alright my friends, this is what the casserole looked like the next day. You see how the bread soaked up the custard? That looks great. And now it's time to make that pecan praline topping we're going to put on top. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. And we're going to add in 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, and 1 cup of toasted chopped pecans. And all we do is just stir all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Smells good. I love the smell of maple syrup. Alright, my friends, the pecan praline topping is done. Now we're ready to put it on top of the casserole. So we're going to take a dollop of the pecan praline, just put it right on top. Gonna be so stinking good. My mama's gonna love it. Look at here, look at here. Oh yeah. Don't swallow your tongue, Ellen. Doesn't that look good? And now we're just gonna spread it all over. Woo, doggles! Alright, girlfriend, ready to go into the oven? We're gonna put our French toast casserole in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're gonna let it bake for about 40 minutes until it's golden brown. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. French toast casserole with a pecan praline topping. Doesn't that look beautiful? And look at the pecans on top. It smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Ooh, my mouth's watering. Alright, so now we're going to let the casserole cool for a few minutes, and then I'll plate it up and serve this to my mama. Hello, Mama. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, Brittany.
You're welcome. I made you breakfast.
All right, let's give it a taste.
All right, it's a French toast casserole with pecan praline topping. Enjoy. How you like it?
Beautiful.
Thank you. You like the pecans on top? Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it, Mom. Thank you. I love you.
Love you too.
My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, stay safe, and happy Mother's Day.